Step inside a home where timeless design meets modern comfort. Soft neutrals, layered textures, and a mix of vintage and custom pieces create a space that feels both elegant and inviting. Jenkins Interiors, the interior designer of this project, led by Jenkins, is renowned for crafting timeless, curated spaces that seamlessly blend classic elegance with contemporary comfort. This project exemplifies this philosophy, showcasing a harmonious mix of traditional architecture and modern design elements. Established in 1998, Jenkins Interiors has been transforming residential spaces for over 2 decades. Jenkins and her team are celebrated for their distinctive style that balances livability with a novel approach to the classic. This home really reflects their signature style: elegant, comfortable, and thoughtfully put together. The design mixes old and new elements, with a strong focus on natural materials, layered textures, and a calm, neutral color palette. In this project, you'll see soft whites, warm grays, and natural tones throughout. The furniture is a combination of vintage pieces and custom designs, which gives each room its own character. You'll also notice beautiful details like limestone surfaces, unlacquered brass fixtures, and handcrafted ceramics. Lighting plays a big role too, with antique chandeliers and modern sconces adding personality and warmth. The home's architecture includes arched doorways, traditional trim work, and exposed ceiling beams, details that give it a classic European feel, while the open layout makes it perfect for modern living. Every room is carefully styled to feel cozy and collected, with elements like fresh greenery, aged mirrors, and personal touches that make it feel lived in and welcoming.